Facebook a bit.
Yeah.
You still have a long time.
Yo,
And then you guys gonna sleep.
But then also, Plush is being irresponsible because he should have, whoever he's with, he should have taken their phone
Yeah, I should have.
and DM'd Tank. So he's also chilling.
Or like do something, talk like
Call somebody, anybody.
No, that's what I'm saying. He's also chilling. I'm live now because maybe we can find the answers. Guys,
Please find Flash.
if you see what is his height? No, honestly, it's actually a very serious matter. Guys, we are in Bloemfontein and we are looking for Tank's DJ. So we left him at the club last night and we thought he was gonna, because we have a driver, we thought he was going to pull through to the accommodation. We're on the road now, or somewhat on the road, and we can't find him. Plus, we have his phone because last night people didn't want to lose their phones. They gave it all to one person. So we have his phone. We can't even call him, and we don't know where he is. So if you are a Bloem resident and you are aware of Plush, please tell us where the fuck he is. Please.
Flash is
Flash.
No, Steven. His real name is Steven.
I'm dead. Not the
Steven.
government. What's his ID number?
Steven.
What's his ID number? What is his mom's maiden name before
Steven.
she made it? No, I said
It is. I'm telling you, bro.
Guys, honestly, like,
For real, bro. Ish.
show us a picture of him. I think it's gonna get to a stage where I have to post a picture on my stories
Let me see the picture.
because no, show me while I'm on live
Okay, let me show you now.
because
Gina, do you not want to call Zandi and find out if you called Zandi?
yeah, guys, but we're looking for someone. Like, I came back on Thursday, couldn't find you, yo. I'm having fun, please. Oh, hi, Zanday. Okay, this is Plush, guys. If you do know where he is, if you are in Bloem and you've seen this guy, please let us know because we don't even know where to begin. Like I said, how do you start looking for someone in a city that you're not from who doesn't have his phone? Do you know what I mean? Like, he does not have his phone, so don't say, oh, call him. No. Find my iPhone. No. The phone is with us. So, like, I'm waiting for you to start laughing. The moment you say this is serious. No, it is serious. It is serious. We're looking for Plush.
For real, bro.
Driver Bay, why are you saying?
We laughed about it until we started crying.
Yeah, you laugh and then you're like, no, but actually this is serious.
Yeah.
We can't leave Bloem without him. We're on the road. I want to be fucking home by at latest 5 p.m. But can we get on the road? No, because we have someone missing in Bloem. So does he know anyone in Bloem? I don't know if he knows. Does he know anyone in Bloem? Like, is he a Bloem regular?
And I hope it didn't make anyone pregnant.
I will.
Flash.
I hope you find him because this place is quite dangerous. How? What happens? What do you mean? No, now I'm actually getting concerned. What do you mean quite dangerous? Guys, please, the disciples. But no, it's very serious. It's really bad. Like, where are we even starting to look? Okay, we have to go to Ekayeni and start there because that's the last place we saw him. Like, so anyway, guys, please let me know.
I hope that girl is fire. I really hope she's fire.
No, but I'm saying that yes, he doesn't have his phone, but he should have taken someone else's phone and DM
But I hope that girl is fire. No, it's safe. It's not dead. Believe me.
About that, this person has a baby mama. I don't think those comments are needed right now.
Come on, guys. It's not the end of the world. As long as it's alive.
People get kidnapped.
It's not the end of the world.
Oh, y'all
As
up
long as
and
it's
down
alive.
looking for him.
What we care about is
we're
his
all
life,
ready
not
to.
who is fucking. I don't care who is fucking.
Okay. But anyway,
I don't care.
what I'm saying is that we are up and down looking for him because we
I really don't care.
are all ready to leave. Like, we've all showered, we're in the car, our bags are packed.
We
We
came
would
with
be
him,
on
we
the
need to
road
go
right
with
now,
him. That's it.
heading to Joburg,
We
but
came with him,
we
we
cannot
need to go
find
back with
him. We can't find him.
Bloemfontein was very good for
Ekayen is
him.
just getting.
Man,
No,
we need to
Ekayen
get
is
the
dope.
fuck outta
Can't you
here.
check his Insta
We need to get the
DMs
fuck
or
outta
something?
here.
Maybe he's been talking to someone in Bloem.
Boys and
I don't think
se-
so. Also, Tank, you don't have the password to his phone, eh?
Nah, bro. Oh, no. His phone doesn't have a password. Where's
He
his
doesn't
phone?
know anyone in Bloom.
Where's his phone?
But I mean, it might be a
does have a
start. It might
password,
be a start.
Pattern.
Whoa, Kazi, whoa. Thank you.
How did you guys leave without him? No, we all left the club separately. Like, I left first because, you know, I'm an antisocial butterfly. And then Tank and Kanya left, and then Pila left. But, like, it was gradual. And we have a driver. So we just, like, when he's ready to leave. Wait. Actually, but obviously you didn't know that they have his phone, no?
No, I didn't.
You see, so... Anyway, guys, but yeah, if you know someone named Plush, if you've seen him around, he's got
Steven
dreadlocks.
Plush, yeah.
He's got dreadlocks, and we are looking for him in Bloom. And it is quite concerning because, like I said, we have his phone. So there's no Find My iPhone, nothing that we can do. And we're looking for his ass. And I really, really hope it's one of those things where it's like, oh, I got drunk and I slept over at a honey and I've been sleeping. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean?
My number.
So
all those people.
yeah,
need
I
to
don't
have
know.
one of our numbers.
Was he drunk? Was he drunk?
Oh, of course.
Fucked up.
Oh, driver babe.
Oh, of
What's he
course.
fucked up?
Fucked up.
Anyway, but yeah, guys, please,
Nah, he
please,
wasn't
like,
fucked up, bro.
Eh?
He wasn't fucked up.
Eh?
He wasn't fucked up.
he was. He actually was.
Yeah.
From what I remember, and I left first. So
He was wasted, bro. I thought he was with us, actually. I never knew that he left with other people. I thought he was with us. Because you guys left me.
So when you left, did you say? Did you say bye to him when you left?
Yeah?
Did you say bye to him when you left?
I was alone when I left.
Oh, but I'm saying you didn't say, "Oh, chief, I'm dipping."
He left me. I was the last person to bounce.
Oh, he left before you.
Yes.
Who the fuck did he vibe with?
I don't know. I have no idea. I thought he left
And
with
there's
you.
no Uber here,
I was the
so
last
it
one to
means
leave.
that he went with
I
girls
never left with you
who
guys.
have a
I left
car.
with some girls. I had to ask these
Are you
girls, hey,
watching
please take
the
me
box tonight on
where I
TV for
stay.
sure? Is his phone locked? Try and call the last person he spoke to. I don't think he spoke to anyone because he doesn't know people
Where's his
from
phone,
Bloom.
bruh?
Like, I don't think these
Yeah,
were
he doesn't know a lot of people, bro.
pre-made
That's funny.
plans.
But he
Is it on?
slow. No, it's
Off
flat.
Okay,
Flat.
we need to switch it on.
Yeah.
Please switch on his phone. Pila, is there, I think the charging thing is there. Surely.
Mara, is it BlackBerry charger, this one?
No, it's not that one.
Yeah, it's not. It's a C-type. We don't have a BlackBerry
Fuck,
charger.
man.
The
Anyway,
thing is, bro, he doesn't know anyone, dog.
yeah. He didn't say like, oh, my boy is in Bloom. Oh, he doesn't know anyone here.
He doesn't know fucko, bro.
Oh my god, guys, I just don't want us to be
Zero.
now
So
because we're gonna have
it
to
would
start
be-
checking hospitals. Actually,
No.
It would even be weird, dog, for him.
no, but I'm
to-
saying, where do we begin? Okay, let's go to the club we were at last night.
It's
on
weird
your
for him
live
to
right
even
now,
leave
trying to
with
get
someone
help.
else. without
Okay,
even
let's go to the place we were at last night and at least ask
Yeah,
bouncers.
that's
This guy too is helping us.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wanna suppose-
Oh, this guy. Oh, he's helping us. Okay.
Orlando,
Cute banner, bro. Let's
that
go
guy,
there,
that
bro.
guy
Trust me, bro.
was
Okay.
that yellow boy guy that we were last night.
In fact,
Yeah?
when we're done looking for him,
this way
we'll
he books
call you
us
and then we
when we
can
come here.
probably do a quick meeting before we drive
Bad.
out.
Orlando, Leslie.
Oh, that place.
Nice.
Is it nice?
Place.
Chef's kiss.
Oh, guys, we went to Thing's place now, right after the
Bloom girls are wild. I hope he's not in pa
We go to a different club.
me
What's that about?
or sports. What is that? What is that?
Hello, baby.
Yeah, we're gonna have to ask for camera
Right
footage
after
from the
the
club.
banner, where did we go?
We went to
Leslie's
Ekayeni.
place.
Please tell him that we have a bit of a predicament right
Ekayeni.
now.
Back to the
We're
club. He's
not
probably
saying
waiting
Yeah.
for you since he doesn't know
What's the
anything.
you know what's going on.
Yes.
with that. We'll
Yeah,
call him to
Ekayeni,
find out
not
if he's free
Havana.
for cooking.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. That's what I was saying to Driver Bay. But apparently this guy's trying to help us, the one in front.
And Kenny was packed.
Trying to help us since we don't know the place.
Yeah, but also if when we get to wherever he's going, if we don't find, we have to go to Ekayeni and look at the
Ekayeni.
footage. Yeah.
Because that's
We're looking for a guy named Plush
bro.
in Bloom.
You wanna
He's
call
got
Les again?
dreads.
Les again.
Fuck is Plush, bro?
I tried to call him. He's not answering. I don't know. It's ringing, but I don't know. There's a place that pumps till the early hours called Makafua.
Apparently,
It's in the hood.
The driver went to go look for him at another place because they told him to go look at another place close to the.
Do you remember what the place was called that they told you to look at? Because now they're saying there's a place that pumps until the AM's called Makafua. Maybe you went with them.
That's where you went.
Oh.
You looked for him, eh?
No, but that's what I'm saying. Like, if he left even before Pila, that means that he went with girls obviously that have a car, because obviously there's no Uber here. So it's like we need to find girls. Oh, what is his last post on his story, Tank?
Let me check.
Really, nothing.
Hold on, let me check.
He didn't post.
The last story. This was his last story, bro.
Fuck. And it's a fucking meme. Well, we are trying. Is that Tank at the back? Yes, it is. Charge his phone, he'll call y'all. No, but like, okay, I don't expect him to know Tank's number off by heart, but he could have gone onto Instagram. Please check your DM requests even.
Yeah, I did, bro. There's
Since the
nothing.
morning we've been checking.
That's fuck all, bro. And the DM request is nothing.
I also believe I can learn a son.
Yo,
Get we call it.
please tell us what happened. No, long story short, we went out, everyone left at separate times, and now we're looking for someone. And we have the person's phone, so we can't find them. So we don't even know where to begin, and we can't leave Bloom without him. Like we can't leave without him. Obviously, we came to Bloom with him, but now obviously, we need to go. We can't go. Try and post on his story. Guys, we need to actually, Pila, isn't there a Type-C charger? I think some people keep saying that we need to charge his phone because he might be calling his phone.
No, we don't have.
No.
That's the BlackBerry charger, that one.
She has a Type-C charger.
I have a Type-C charger, but it's not going to plug into that
It's
port.
C-type to C-type. Her charger.
No, I have a C. Oh, yeah, it's C. Yeah.
C-type to C-type. You know that
Where is
the new
this?
iPhone
Why not
chargers.
call the numbers on the phone?
I think it'll.
We.
Nice.
Fuck. Yeah, I'm just actually stressed now because like he doesn't have a phone. There's no Uber, but I'm just like he would reach out at least to take.
himself.
Yeah, to say yo.
Oh, Tank.
Let me take your phone.
Yeah.
Let me quickly DM
Yeah,
Tank.
to myself.
But the
Or-
fact that he's not even said anything to Tank is crazy. So, yo, guys, I really don't know. And I don't know, like, what happens when it's a man in this situation? You know, with a woman, you think, obviously, like, oh, maybe some guys took her home and did it a bit. Because it's a guy, it's like, did you go home with girls? And then what happened? Do you know what I mean? Because he also knew we were planning to leave Bloem first thing in the morning. So it's like, even if you went home with honeys, surely you'd wake up and be like, okay, ladies, give me your phone. Do you know what I mean? Let me, you know? So, yeah, guys, if you've seen a guy with dreads, his dreads are like blonde, ne?
Yeah.
Like with blonde dreads,
Yeah, black and blonde.
black and blonde dreads in Bloem. He was wearing a gray sweater and underneath was like a baseball top.
And gray jeans.
Yeah, and gray jeans and gray and white sneakers, I think.
Yeah, gray and white sneakers, Nikes.
Yeah, Nike sneakers. But yeah, I mean, I don't know what the horrors are. Okay, no, but guys, we need to find a way to charge to turn his phone on.
Okay, you said, okay, let me just. So we're using a C-type mask now?
We have to go. Yeah, let's go to the club because we have to look at the camera footage or something. Like, sure. Morning. So yeah, please let us know if you know anything.
Shamiso, where's that small cable that you had?
The tiny one.
Where's my white charger? The new
Oh, that little tiny cable I found. Where is it? Where is that
one.
cable?
Charge my phone.
Wait, hold on.
We're looking for that tiny cable that came with the vapes.
No, that one is here. That one is here.
Then can't we charge his phone with that?
Yes, that one.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks. Can't we charge his phone with that? Anyway, yeah. If you have any information, please DM me because it is a matter of urgency. But you might be able to get into the phone because probably that's the thing. We don't even know. We don't know
Check it from the
his
flash.
password, but at least we can see who's.
What is it? Oh, it's that old thing.
Mara, isn't that one BlackBerry charger? That one?
Fuck, his charge is not C-type.
Shit.
Oh my god.
But when I play charge.
This is the second person saying Makafua. So that's where you went yesterday.
Makafua. Where's that?
Yeah, they were
Yeah.
just saying check that place.
Place that are scary people, right?
Yeah.
Those people outside are so scary.
Okay.
But that place doesn't close anyway.
Okay.
He might be there.
Yeah, okay, let's go there.
He might be there. Let's go.
Thank
there.
you guys. If you have any information or you feel like you've seen him around Bloom,
Let's go.
please
I'm telling you,
DM me because it is
He's
a
there.
matter
He's there.
of urgency.
He's there, my boy.
So